Say goodbye to frustrating drag-and-drop failures in Photoshop and reclaim those lost minutes in your workflow. Ever tried to drag and drop an image or a layer in Photoshop, only to be met with an unresponsive cursor? It's a common annoyance that can really kill your creative momentum, but don't worry, we've got you covered with a few quick fixes. First up, let's tackle corrupted preferences. Sometimes, Photoshop settings can get a little wonky. To reset them and start fresh, go up to Edit, then Preferences, and hold down the Ctrl, Alt, and Shift keys simultaneously. Release them. After you see a prompt asking if you want to delete the Photoshop settings file, click Yes, and Photoshop will restart with default preferences. If resetting preferences doesn't do the trick, it might be a permissions issue. Ensure that Photoshop has the necessary permissions to access your files and folders on a Mac. You can check this in System Settings under Privacy and Security. Then Files and Folders on Windows. You'll want to look at your folder options or antivirus settings to ensure Photoshop isn't being blocked. Outdated graphics drivers can also cause unexpected behavior. It's a good idea to keep your graphics card drivers up to date. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Another simple check: make sure you're not trying to drag and drop from a location that Photoshop can access, like a highly protected system folder. Sometimes, simply copying and pasting the file into a more accessible folder before dragging and dropping can resolve the issue. With these steps, you should be back to smooth, efficient drag and drop usage in no time. Happy creating!